You don't get what you deserve in life. You get what you have the courage to ask for. You've learned to keep your needs small, to stay quiet, to make it easier for everyone else. That silence isn't safety, it's self-abandonment. You've been doing your part. You keep showing up, but something still isn't moving. What invisible weight are you carrying? It lifts the moment you speak. There's one skill that changes everything. It's not hustle or discipline. It's the art of asking. Asking says, I know what I want, and I'm ready to claim it. You've been hoping someone would notice, staying quiet to avoid seeming needy. You don't need to wait anymore. Ask, clearly, boldly, without apology. Being a hard worker isn't enough. You have to become a good asker. Truth number 1: asking starts the process. The moment you ask, life begins to move. Internally and externally. You don't need to understand how it works. You just need to press the button. Asking is that button. You've seen this. Some people study the roots. Others pick the fruit. The difference? One of them asked. The truth is, receiving is automatic. If it hasn't been showing up for you, you already know why. You haven't asked yet. You've done the work. You've stayed consistent. No clear goal, no direction, no request. You've been a good worker, a silent one. I need to ask you this. What have you been quietly hoping for, but never dared to speak aloud? So, how do you ask in a way that life actually responds? Ask with intelligence. Be specific. Write it down. Speak it out loud. What, when, how much, and why. Because goals aren't just statements. They're magnets. Ask with faith, not fear, not doubt. Ask like a child, who already believes it's theirs. Plan like an adult. Believe like a child. Try this, just for 90 days. Ask, speak, believe. If you don't ask, the answer is already no. But when you finally do, life has to respond. Life, or the universe, never offers what you deserve, only what you ask for. So ask wisely, and with clear intention. Your intention directs your attention. Every day is a bonus. Charles Odia.